Well, this is our front door, and because this is the EcoMaster test house, this door has over the years had lots of different treatments, different perimeter seals and different bottom treatments as well. And we learnt lots about things that don't work and how to design things that do work. So, for example, the perimeter seals originally, well, we started with typical weather stripping and soon found that to be not very satisfactory. We tried other seals, including ones with that had bulb seals on them that kind of had some promise, but issues with bulb seals as well, particularly getting jammed in the hinge side of the door. Anyway, it kind of led to the development of draft dodgers, which you see on these doors at the moment. And we came to use also this bottom treatment, which in all the years that this has been installed in various places, not one failure. So I think that, we've hit upon a formula that's like really good. And, and of course, the draft proofing of this home, the initial draft proofing was not very thorough. It did involve the doors and a little bit of other caulking, and treating the light fittings was part of that. But it was by no means as thorough as the draft proofing that we would do today. But nonetheless, it reduced our heating bill by 50% just doing that. So doing this kind of stuff has real dividends behind it.